Hello Sudoku friends, welcome today in the additional newspaper. There are 5 Sudokus, a 1 star Sudoku, 2 stars, 4 stars Sudoku, a tectonic and a binary Sudoku. And this is a newspaper of March 20, Friday. Alright, 2020. So let's get started with the first Sudoku, a 1-star Sudoku. Alright, my camera. Alright, let's get started. Alright, the 7. We have 3 7s, I believe. Yes. Could be a 7, yes. In this column, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. I see here 7, so no 7s in these 2 boxes. I see there 7, so no 7 in this box. 1 box remain. For the 7 should be this one for this column. Then this big square, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 7. We have a 7 there, so no 7 in this box. Here 7, no 7 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remain for the 7 should be here. 7 in this row, 7 in the row below. So in the last row, the only 2 places for a 7 should be in this box or in that box. But we have a 7 here, so no 7 there. 7 should be here. 7 in the last column, 7 in the column next. So in this column, the only place for 7 should be here. Then I cannot continue with the 7, I see. Let's see for another digit. The 3. The 3, we have this in the first row. The 3 in the third row. So in the row between, the only 2 places for 3 should be here and there. But we have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be here. 3 in this column, 3 middle column, so in the column next, the only place for 3 should be there. In this column, 4 missing numbers. One of the missing numbers is a 3. I see here 3, so no 3 there. Here 3, so no 3 here. There also a 3, so no 3 there. The only place for 3 should be there. Then I cannot continue with the 3. So let's see. In this column, the missing numbers here are 1. No. We have a 1, 1, 2, 3. The 4 is missing, the 6 is missing, and the 9 is missing. 6, 4, 6, and 9. I see here 4 and a 6. So no 4 and a 6 here in this box. So 1 digit left for the 9. 2 boxes left in this column for the 4 and 6. We have a 6 here, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, and the 4 goes there. 2 boxes left in this column for the numbers 2 and 2 and 5, I believe. Yes, 2 and 5. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 6. Well, 3. So 4. Well, let me see. The 2, the 1. Yes, the 1. One I cannot. I need to find the 7, the 4, 4, 4. Yes, 4 in this row, 4 in the third row, so in the row between, the only 2 places for 4 should be here and there, but I see here 4, no 4 there, 4 should be here. 4 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is a 5. I see here 5, so no 5 in these 2 boxes. I see there 5, so no 5 in this box. 1 box remains for the 5, should be this one. 5 in the third row, 5 in the first row. So in the second row, the only 2 places for 5 is here and there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this column, 5 in the second column. So in the third column, the only 2 places for 5 should be here and there, but I see here 5, no 5 there, 5 should be here. 5 in this row, 5 in the middle row, so in the row below, the only place for 5 is here. 5 in the last row, 5 in the row above. So in this row, the only 2 places for 5 is here and there. But we have a 5 here, so no 5 there, 5 should be here. And all the 5s are used, I see. Yes, alright. Then we go to the third row. 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 1. I see here 1, so no 1 there. Here 1, so no 1 there. Only place for the 1 should be here. 2 missing numbers in the third row for the numbers 9 and 6. We have a 9 here, so no 9 here. 9 should be there. And the 6 goes there. Then it's 6 and 2. And 4 is 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing number is a 4. We have a 4 here, so no 4 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 4, should be here. Then Then 2, yes. This big square, 3 missing numbers. One of the missing number is a 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remains for the 2, should be here. 6 and 8. 2. Something with a 2. Nope. 8 and 2. Okay, these 3 numbers for the numbers 6, 8, and 9. We have a 6 here, so no 6 in these 2 boxes. 1 box remain for this column. That's the 6, 8 and 9, 8 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Need to wait for more information. 1 box remain for this big square for the number 9. 8 and 9, that means these 2 boxes of this big square are reserved for the numbers 2 and 1. 2 and 1. We have a 1 here, so no 1 there. 1 should be here and the 2 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for the numbers 2 and 9. Now we have a 2 there, so no 2 there. 2 should be here and the 9 goes there. 2 numbers left in the middle row for the numbers 8 and 9. 8 and 9. Now we have a 9 there, so no 9 here. 9 should be here and the 8 goes there. 1 number left of this big square for the number 8. Then 3 numbers left in the third row. The numbers are 2, 3, and 4. 2, 3, and 4. We have a 3 here, so no 3. In those 2 boxes, the 3 should be here. Then a 2 and a 4. 2 and a 4. We have a 2 here, so no 2 here. 2 should be there, and a 4 goes there. Then 8, 6, 2. There's 2 numbers left in this row for the number 6 and 7, I believe. 6 and 7. I cannot fill this yet. Here 1 and 9. I cannot fill this yet. Here 1, 8 and 2. 1, 8 and 2. 1, 8 and 2. I cannot fill this yet. 1, 8 and 2. 8 and 3. Yes, in this big square 8 and 3 are missing. We have a 3 there, so no 3 here. 3 should be there and 8 goes here. Then 6, 9 and 6, 9 and 8. 8 and 6 are missing in this big square. We have a 6 there, so no 6 here. 6 should be there, and the 8 goes there. 1 missing number in this column for the number 6. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 8 and 2. We have 8 there, so no 8 here. 8 should be here, and the 2 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 2. 1 and 2. We have a 2 there, so no 2 here. 2 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this row for the numbers 1 and 9. 1 and 9. We have a 1 there, so no 1 here. 1 should be there, and a 9 goes there. 9 in this column, 9 in the second column. So in the first column, the only 2 places for 9 is here or there. But I see here 9, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 1 missing number in the last row for the number 8. 2 missing numbers in this big square for the numbers 7 and 8. Now we have 8 there, so no 8 there. 8 should be here, and the 7 goes there. 2 missing numbers of this big square for the numbers 7 and 6. We have a 7 there, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and the 6 goes there. And the final 2 numbers of this big square for the numbers 6 and 4. We have a 4 there, so no 4 here. 4 should be here, and the 6 goes there. So we finish this in 16 minutes. Alright, for this Sudoku. If you like it, thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. Download the PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Subscribe and ring that bell for further notification for new Sudokus. Rest me to say, see you later with the second Sudoku, a 2-star Sudoku. So thank you for now, and bye bye.